Look, I've been where you are. Shopify looks so promising, but the price, the confusion, the fees, all of that combined can really discourage you from starting that dream business. But I'm here to raise your spirits and fix that problem right now with my tried and tested Shopify Alternatives 2026. Now, quick heads up, if you're in a rush, I've left my best discount deals in the description for all 3 Shopify alternatives, so you can use those and start your e-commerce journey for less. Oh, and I'll display QR codes as we go along in the video. The first problem you might run into with Shopify is that it's just too extensive for a small online store or business. You get bombarded with high monthly fees and lots of tools you may never need. If you feel that way, my first Shopify Alternatives 2026 pick is Hostinger. And just comparing Hostinger versus Shopify at a basic level shows that Hostinger is focused specifically on beginners. The biggest pro is that Hostinger's web builder is super easy. Drag an element, drop it, and you're done. Oh, don't want to do that? Well, you can use AI tools for nearly every task you might come up with. Don't have photos for products? Generate them. Don't know how to best describe what you're selling? There's a tool specifically for that. In fact, if you utilize the AI to its full potential, you can have a fully functional, modern-looking web store in just a few hours. And while we're talking about modern designs, Hostinger offers some of the most colorful and interesting templates, rivaled maybe only by Squarespace. The AI can also generate and regenerate designs, sections, or entire pages as many times as you like until you find that one perfect style. But it's not just that Hostinger is easy, it packs in a ton of freebies others lack. Free domain privacy protection so your personal details aren't accessible online? Check. Free AI email marketing to gather more leads? Yep. Want a free 24-hour resource boost to handle holiday shopping traffic? Here you go. And I could sit here naming features all day, but the last thing you need to know about Hostinger is that it's one of the fastest website builders on the market. It automatically optimizes images, and with the latest NVMe drive technology, it can load your store in a second or less. Yeah. If you want a simple builder perfect for a small store, look no further than the Hostinger AI Web Builder. Just don't forget the Hostinger discount link below or scan the QR code to get started. What if you have a business idea you want to try, don't want to commit long term, and at the same time want to spend as little as possible on the venture? Then IONOS is a perfect Shopify Alternatives 2026 option. The first and most important thing about IONOS is pricing. Yes, you are seeing the price as it is. No, there are no hidden fees or tricks that IONOS pulls here. You don't even need to subscribe for years like with Hostinger. This price is available for a 12-month billing period, meaning you can truly test out your business ideas, and if they fail, just don't renew your plan. But if your business is successful, should you stick with IONOS long-term? Yes, absolutely. Sure, the renewal price increase is pretty steep, but when the introductory discount is this aggressive, it's hard to complain. The plans pack in a lot of resources for the price, but the real value is in the AI business tools. IONOS has a few unique features. Competitor tracking helps you monitor your market and stay ahead of the competition, and you also get a personal consultant who can help with your website or business ideas anytime you want. And then there's the newer AI feature, Momentum AI, which allows you to create a full AI support network for your customers. Honestly, IONOS is the best provider if you want to experiment with business ideas solo. It's one of the cheap Shopify alternatives that packs plenty of AI tools to help fill in missing roles. Discount links are in the description, or you can scan the QR code to get IONOS plans at the best price. Now, what if you found Shopify too limiting in terms of tools and design? Well, then let's talk about Wix, probably the most well-known name in my Shopify Alternatives 2026 list. So, Wix versus Shopify for e-commerce. What's the real difference? First, total absolute design freedom. If Shopify gives you super basic templates unless you pay up, then with Wix, it's hard not to create something great looking almost by accident. AI onboarding is incredibly easy and helps you set up all your business information. Then you get AI generated designs that already look fantastic, but you can customize every single part of them. I mean it, total freedom to build exactly what you want. While the app market and integrations can't match Shopify, Wix offers a lot of built-in tools, meaning you don't need to tack on yet another monthly fee. It also offers a free plan to test everything the platform has to offer. Sure, for business, you'll want to upgrade, using my discount link of course, but it shows a customer-first approach by letting you try the platform completely free. Wix doesn't stop there. If you don't want to use a regular editor, you can use Harmony, the AI website builder that feels more like chatting with a friend than doing web development. Yes, it can be a little overwhelming at first, but start free, see if you like Wix, then come back here to grab that discount and start making money with Wix for less. So what's actually the best platform to sell online? Which Shopify Alternatives 2026 option is right for you? If you want one of the easy e-commerce platforms for small businesses, go with Hostinger. If you're on a super tight budget and want to test business ideas, IONOS is the way to go. And if you want flexibility and lots of AI tools, Wix is your pick. At the end of the day, Shopify isn't bad, but it's definitely not your only option anymore. I hope my best Shopify alternatives for beginners list saved you time and stress. If you liked the video, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which platform you're thinking of trying.